Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if the man in your life struggles with keeping a skincare routine, then he's going to love the simplicity of this line from Tiege Hanley. Since my husband started using this line, his skin is looking so clean and fresh. And I've even noticed that some of his wrinkles are starting to diminish. I love that they sent a no-brainer instruction sheet for this. It tells you how much to use and how often. My husband uses the face wash first thing in the morning, and then he follows that with the AM moisturizer. This is awesome because it comes with SPF, so I love that it's protecting his skin. And then in the evenings, he washes again, and then he uses the PM cream. The wash has a very faint eucalyptus smell that's very invigorating. And then the two moisturizers are scentless and they're very light and non-greasy. Twice a week he uses the scrub. This is great because it's exfoliating, getting rid of those dead skin cells, and then prepping his skin to be able to absorb in the moisturizer. And then that really contributes to overall healthy skin. This skincare routine is so uncomplicated, and I just can't believe how amazing my husband looks. We really like it, and that's our point of view.